I just installed this CatStrap to help secure my catalytic converter. Stick around and I'll show you how I did it. This installation doesn't require much. I used some gloves, eyewear, and some cleaning supplies, and I purchased the CatStrap Diesel option, which is a 12-foot long CatStrap. It comes with steel ties and a warning sticker, and you're supposed to run it along the entire length of your exhaust, and here's the catalytic converter. But let's go back a sec. You can see here in this diagram from Ford, I plan to put on some exhaust clamps at the extremities and right on the outside of the catalytic converter. This section here is a 4-inch and everything else is a 3.5-inch exhaust clamp, so plan ahead. The CatStrap backing has heat-activated adhesive, so to make sure it sticks well, I'm going to clean the entire bottom with some water, and then I'll go back over the entire section with some rubbing alcohol. Time to hang the CatStrap. These steel zip ties that come with the kit are meant to assist, but you can clearly see they do not fit around the diameter. The catalytic converter is about 25 to 26 inches in length. So once you join the included steel ties together, you end up running out of steel zip ties that you're able to use as mounts. So I ended up purchasing a 25 pack of 30-inch steel zip ties. And I also wrote support at the time, and they have since increased the steel zip tie length, and they also refunded me $25. So that was pretty cool. During the temporary run of the CatStrap, you can go under or around your heat shield that's on the catalytic converter. I ended up having to go around because those weld points wouldn't let me go through. So as you run your steel zip ties, make sure they're sort of loose. You're going to need some wiggle room for the CatStrap as you position your exhaust clamps a little bit later. I decided to make a steel zip tie location every foot or so. Here's a look at the first phase of steel zip ties, running back to front. The next step is to install the exhaust clamps. I put one on the front of the catalytic converter and one directly on the back. The installation for the CatStrap requires that you use exhaust clamps in order to fulfill the warranty requirements. So here I am installing 4. Here's 2 in the front. Here's 2 more in the back. Now that I have the exhaust clamps in place, you can go back and safely cinch up the steel zip ties. Once they're cinched up, cut off the extra. Take a socket and hand tighten everything. The instructions do not call for a torque wrench, but just for my own notes, I wanted to know how much I was tightening each nut. So I set it to 12 foot per pound and went through each exhaust clamp nut. Now the kit comes with a warning sticker, and I did not purchase the alarm kit, but I put the sticker right here anyways. The color of the orange CatStrap and the yellow sticker should be a good deterrent for thieves. At this point, this is the final stage before installation is done. The back of the CatStrap is heat-activated adhesive. So what you want to do is drive around a little bit.
Three hours later.
After coming back, the engine and the exhaust should be nice and hot. The heat-activated adhesive is now bonding to the exhaust pipe. Perfect. We're all done, guys. Thanks for watching.